Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin. First, you'll need to select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Apple Pay as a payment method. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll proceed to set up your account and link your Apple Pay. This process typically involves a few simple verification steps to ensure security and compliance. We'll then walk through the actual purchase, making it easy to understand. Choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is a critical first step. Look for platforms known for their strong security protocols, including robust encryption and multi-factor authentication. Many exchanges offer competitive fees, often ranging from 1 to 3% per transaction, and allow purchases starting from as little as $25. Always check user reviews and regulatory compliance to ensure a safe and reliable experience before committing to a platform. Once your account is set up, linking Apple Pay is usually straightforward. In your exchange's payment settings, select Apple Pay and follow the prompts to authorize it. When you're ready to buy Bitcoin, go to the Purchase section, enter the amount you wish to spend, perhaps $100, and select Apple Pay. Review all the details, including the current Bitcoin price and any associated fees, then confirm your transaction with a quick tap or Face ID. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account to protect against unauthorized access. Remember that Bitcoin's value can fluctuate significantly, so only invest what you are comfortable losing. For long-term holdings, consider moving your Bitcoin off the exchange into a personal wallet, such as a hardware wallet, which offers greater control and security over your digital assets, keeping them safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.